Welcome to Consumer Picks. The best BlendJet 2 is probably one of the most versatile and convenient kitchen gadgets to hit the market in recent years, offering a powerful blending experience on the go. Its compact size and rechargeable battery make it perfect for smoothies, shakes, and even baby food, whether you're at home, at the office, or traveling. With its sleek design and impressive performance, this portable blender is set to revolutionize how you prepare your favorite drinks and meals, making healthy choices easier than ever before. Number 5. Ninja Professional Blender BL610. Experience the power of 1000 watts, designed to crush ice and break down even the toughest ingredients with ease. This appliance is built for performance. With its generous 72-ounce pitcher, you can easily create delicious frozen drinks and creamy smoothies for the whole family. It's perfect for entertaining or large batches. Our total crushing technology provides unmatched power, pulverizing ice, fruits, and vegetables in mere seconds. Get ready for perfectly blended results every time. Transform ice into a snow-like consistency in seconds, perfect for crafting refreshing, resort-style frozen beverages. Enjoy your favorite flavors like never before. Get inspired with the included recipe guide, offering a variety of delicious drink and dish ideas. Discover new ways to use your appliance. Cleanup is a breeze thanks to the BPA-free, dishwasher-safe pitcher. Enjoy your creations without worrying about the mess. What we like. This blender offers professional-grade power for crushing ice and tough ingredients. If you often make large batches of frozen drinks or smoothies for the whole family, its XL pitcher and powerful motor make it an excellent choice. What people say. It is very powerful and blends frozen fruit with no problem. The battery life is great and it holds a charge for a long time. It is easy to clean and the parts are dishwasher safe. Number 4. Ninja BL660 Professional Compact Blender. Experience the incredible power of an 1100 watt motor. It effortlessly blends, crushes, and pulverizes ingredients for perfect results every time. Our total crushing blades are designed to pulverize ice into snow in mere seconds. They handle even the toughest ingredients with ease, making it perfect for all your favorite frozen drinks and smoothies. The extra-large 72 ounces pitcher is perfect for blending large batches. It's ideal for entertaining guests, preparing meals in advance, or serving everyone in the family. Enjoy the ultimate convenience by blending directly in the 16 ounces to-go cups. Simply attach the spout lids and take your delicious smoothies or shakes with you wherever you venture. With 3 manual speeds, pulse control, and a dedicated single-serve function, you can create personalized blends. Achieve professional-level performance tailored to your preferences. All removable parts are BPA-free and safe for the top rack of your dishwasher. Enjoy quick and effortless cleanup after every use, so you can spend more time enjoying your creations. What we like. With an 1100 watt motor and the Ninja blade system, this blender excels at crushing ice and tough ingredients. If you need the convenience of blending directly into to-go cups for your busy lifestyle, this is the perfect option. What people say. The BlendJet 2 is a portable blender that is great for making smoothies on the go. It is also very easy to clean, which is a big plus. The battery life is also impressive, lasting for several uses on a single charge. Number 3. Ninja Fit Compact Personal Blender QB3001SS. Experience the ultimate blending power with its robust motor. It effortlessly crushes ice and pulverizes frozen ingredients for delicious drinks. Unlock hidden vitamins and nutrients from whole fruits and vegetables. Create nutritious drinks by blending even the parts usually discarded. This compact blender fits perfectly on any countertop. Its intuitive controls make it your go-to for quick shakes and smoothies. Blend your creations directly in the single-serve cup. Attach the spout lid and take your delicious drinks wherever your day leads you. Enjoy peace of mind with easy cleanup. All parts are BPA-free and top-rack dishwasher safe for your convenience. This package includes the powerful motor base, blade assembly, and 2 convenient cups with spout lids. What we like. This compact blender is perfect for making nutrient-rich drinks from whole fruits and veggies. If you're looking for a space-saving option that allows you to blend directly into single-serve cups and take them on the go, this is ideal. What people say. It's very convenient and easy to use. It's powerful enough to blend frozen fruit and ice. It's also very easy to clean. Number 2. SadoTech Wireless Doorbell. Setting up your new doorbell is a breeze, ensuring a quick and frustration-free installation. Unlike other models, this one offers an impressive 1,000-foot range, proven to work through doors and walls, making it perfect for any home or office. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need: 2 transmitters and 1 plug-in receiver. It also features sleek LED indicator lights and adjustable volume settings to suit any situation. Customize your home security by configuring different chimes for each door, so you'll always know exactly where your visitors are. It's waterproof and weatherproof, designed to last for years. Enjoy a wide selection of high-quality chimes, free from annoying tinny sounds. With 52 unique ringtones and adjustable volume levels, your chosen settings are remembered even when unplugged. This doorbell is incredibly versatile, suitable for apartments, businesses, warehouses, and more. Use it outdoors for gates or indoors for classroom management. Its applications are endless. Never miss a chime thanks to its impressive battery life, lasting up to 3 years. This ensures reliable performance and peace of mind for your home or business. What we like. This wireless doorbell boasts an impressive 1,000-foot range and is built to withstand various weather conditions. If you need a reliable doorbell for a large home, office, or even outdoor gates, and want a wide variety of chime options, this is a great pick. What people say. This blender is very convenient and portable. It is easy to clean and use. The battery life is good and it blends well. Number 1. Devan Portable Blender. Meet the revolutionary Devan Portable Blender, designed for your active lifestyle. It's the perfect companion for creating delicious shakes and smoothies wherever you go. Tired of jammed blades? Our innovative anti-jamming technology and bidirectional blade rotation ensure a smooth blend every time, even with tough ingredients. Don't let its size fool you. This blender boasts a powerful 300W motor, comparable to a plug-in juicer, crushing ice and frozen fruits with ease for silky smooth results. Enjoy longer blending sessions thanks to its robust 6,000 mAh battery. It offers exceptional battery life, so you can make more blends on a single charge. With its sporty design and illuminated base, this blender looks as good as it performs. The generous 24-ounce capacity means you can make larger portions of your favorite drinks. Cleaning is a breeze with its waterproof construction. You can easily wash the entire unit, and a quick self-cleaning cycle makes maintenance effortless. Crafted from BPA-free materials, it prioritizes your health. The included travel lid and silicone handle make it perfect for taking your healthy drinks on the go. What we like. Featuring revolutionary anti-jamming technology and a powerful 6,000 mAh battery, this portable blender ensures smooth blending every time. If you're always on the move and need a reliable, USB rechargeable blender that can handle thick smoothies without issue, this is the one for you. What people say. BlendJet 2 Portable Blender is a game-changer for smoothies on the go. The powerful motor crushes ice and frozen fruit with ease, creating smooth and creamy textures. Its compact and lightweight design makes it perfect for travel, the gym, or the office. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.